Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna make some rice, and a lot of people struggle with rice, but it's really simple. Only thing you need is rice and water. So we have our rice here and our water. It's usually a 1-to-2 ratio. Um, two parts water, 1 part rice. So we have 1 cup of rice there and 2 cups of water. And we're gonna bring that water to a boil in a pan on the stove, and then we'll add the rice. So okay, here we go. Okay, our water is boiling now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our rice in. I'm gonna stir it a little bit. You can add a little salt and pepper if you like. But now we're gonna let it come back to a boil. And that's good enough right there. And we're gonna put it on low. And once it gets to a point where we can put the lid on without it boiling over, then we'll do that. But now, only thing you have to do is wait. So we'll give it about 10 to 15 minutes in the pan and let it cook, and then we'll come back and check on it. Okay, y'all, I let it cook for about 10-15 minutes, and then I took it off the heat and let it sit for 10 more minutes. And this is the end result right here. You got some perfectly cooked rice, not overcooked, as you can see. So, okay, y'all, see you next time.